Hello everyone. So all of us know that TCS has started its hiring for 2025 batch, which is available for students from all the colleges, right? So in this particular video, we are going to check what is the correct step-by-step process to apply for this particular drive. Very important thing, guys, watch this video till the end because in past it has happened a lot of times that if you do not apply for TCS correctly, then there are high chances that you will not get the hall ticket or you will not get the exam mail. So make sure you watch this entire video till the end and step by step you can basically apply for TCS. So once you watch this video, maybe you can do is open the video on mobile or any other device. You can watch step by step and at the same time simultaneously you can start applying. One very important thing, we are going to start with the TCS specific preparation batch from 27th of February. So all those who are interested can join this particular batch, and this particular batch is available for all the masterclass students. So join masterclass and you can get the TCS specific training live and a lot of resources to prepare for TCS as well. The cost of the training is just rupees 999 and we are also going to provide you a 20 days TCS specific preparation plan, a study material for preparation, and that study plan will help you to crack the TCS exam. So now in this particular video, let us start how you can register. So I have given this particular registration link in the description of this particular video, which you can click and then you will land up on this particular page, which you can see on the screen right now. So as you can check, TCS engineering fresher hiring for graduating batch of 2025. So this is open for all the students who are graduating in 2025, especially they have given all the branches as well, BTech, BE, MTech, MCA and MSc and MS. Okay. So registration, now many students are getting this particular question. The registration end date is 23rd March, but test date they have shown as 15th March onwards. So nothing to be confused about, guys. So as and when the registration has already started, so the students who will register probably before 15th of March, so they will start getting examination mails from 15th onwards. Okay, so for example, there can be a chance that some students register after 15th, so they will probably get a mail later about the exam. So registration is ending on 23rd, but those who are registering early, their exams probably will start or test will start on 15th March onwards. Okay. We know that TCS primarily hires for three roles using this NQT exam, that is National Qualifier Test, Prime, Digital and Ninja. Okay, so now let us not focus much on the details about the drive or what they are hiring for, because we have separately made a video. The video of that is there in the description of this video. Okay, and also be tuned to our channel because we are going to continuously update a lot of preparation updates, a lot of tips about how to prepare for TCS as well. Okay. So here they have clearly given the application process. So guys, you can just click on this particular link which they have provided. So you'll get on this particular page. Sometimes it might happen that due to heavy traffic, you might not land on this page, but you can keep trying as the time for registration given is more. So you can keep trying and whenever the server is available at that time you can apply. Now there are two things, guys. If you had already applied on this particular portal or if you have already have an account, then you can already directly go and log in. Okay. But in this video, what I will do, I'll consider that you do not have an account and I will click here as a new candidate, that is register here. Most important thing, you need to click on IT. Okay. You need to click on IT and create an account under IT, not under BPS. Okay. Next. So here most important instruction which they have given, please use an email with a personal domain. Okay, so please use an email with a personal domain. Do not use your college email domains because sometimes there might be a chance that you may not get emails from TCS on college domain. So you can use Gmail or Yahoo or any other personal email which you are having. So once you enter your email, basically you are going to get OTP on your email which you need to enter over here. Once you click over here, it will ask you to put the last four digits of your Aadhaar card, your name, middle name, surname, date of birth, and then you can click on I agree and click on proceed. Once you click on proceed, you will be getting this particular page where you have to enter more details like your gender, mobile number, your institute name, your qualification, okay, year of passing. So here it should be 2025 only. Nearest TCS office which is near to you. Enter the CAPTCHA and click on submit. Now, many students get a question sometimes that how to select gender because it is not selected. So here you select the title. It will automatically give you the option to select gender. Okay. Now, very important, once you submit, you get this particular CT reference ID or sometimes DT reference ID. There is no difference, so don't worry about it. You have to note this particular reference ID for all further communications with TCS regarding your hiring or any other details. Okay. Then you can click on continue, enter this captcha and continue. Now, basically you are going to get another OTP. Okay. So copy paste feature is disabled by them. So you have to type the OTP. Now you will land up on your TCS next step portal. Okay. Now very important, first thing you need to go in the application form. Okay. Even you can go here and check. So here, even you can go here and check. Once you create your city reference ID and log in, you have to complete the application form. Once you click complete the application form, you will get a option for apply for drive. Generally, students ask, why am I not getting apply for drive? There can be multiple reasons. Either your application form is not complete, or whatever details you have entered in the application form, you're not eligible. Probably you entered wrong year of passing. That's why you're not getting the apply for drive option. Okay, so make sure you enter everything correctly. Now here you can start filling the application form. There are four important things: personal details, academic and work experience details, other details, and application form preview. So you can click on start filling. Now these are some of the basic details which you can fill in personal details, like your first name, middle name, last name, your permanent address, your present address. Okay, if both are same, you can click on yes, your contact details. After filling this, you can just click on save and continue. Once you complete your personal details, you'll get a green tick over here. Now you need to enter all your academics marks. Okay. So there are some instructions. Marks or CGPA obtained denotes total marks or CGPA secured by you in all the subjects in all the semester in the first attempt. Okay. So total marks in CGPA denote max total of maximum marks in all subjects in all semester in first attempt. All implies that all subjects mentioned on the mark sheet, including languages, optional subjects, should be taken into consideration while calculating the total marks. Now, what happens, guys? Sometimes if you don't consider any subject or if you don't put the correct data, probably you will go ahead in the process. But during document verification after your selection, you might face issues if you have not entered correct data. Okay. Marks obtained during normal duration of the course only will be considered. Verify your marks after entering, as it is a part of selection criteria. Okay. Please mention only your 12th duration in 12th grade details. Please do not add 11 duration in the same. So for example, if you have probably you are going to graduate in 2025. So you completed your 12th standard in 2021. So 12th duration is going to be 2020 to 2021. Okay. Let's go ahead now. So highest degree you will can and enter over here, your institute name, your highest qualification, your year of passing. Here course duration you need to enter. So probably it will be somewhere. I'm just entering it randomly. You can enter yours actual. So here it will be 2021. Okay. And you'll graduate probably in June. Make sure 4 years of duration is completed whenever you are entering the date. Okay. So it should be a full time. Specialization here you can enter whatever specialization you are from. So if I enter here computer engineering, grading systems, so marks, total marks obtained, and the total maximum marks. So right now I'll put randomly. Okay. Please select a relevant course. So either you are 12th, you have completed 12th, or if you have done a diploma after your 10th, or you have done both. So right now I'll select 12th. So specialization you have to enter your university name or institute name of your junior college, the board, the course duration. Okay. So the course duration, as I said, it should be only 1 year course duration for your 12th. Don't put your 11th standard course duration. Okay. So once you do this, then you have to go to next and click on 10th grade. One more important thing, guys, if your dates are overlapping, it will give you this particular information. Okay, so 12th from or 2 days is overlapping with graduate from or to date. So if you can check here, graduation I had entered 13 May to 1st June. So 12th probably I need to reduce it. So let's check. Yeah. Now you have to enter 10th details. So your school name, board, course duration. So duration should be again only the 1 year duration. So if you have completed your particular 10th standard in probably 2019, so 2018 to 2019 it will be. If you have done any other course, you can mention yes or no. Have you taken any NASCOM assessment competency technology? If yes, yes. Otherwise, no. Work experience details. See, they have already told, please do not mention internship trainings at relevant work experience. So internships and trainings are not considered as work experience. Sometimes it might happen that the students who have done diploma, they probably worked full time in some company before joining their degree. So if that is there, then only you can mention. Otherwise, just put no. Here there is a declaration which you have to make sure that you declare over here. Do you have any break in studies? No. Do you have you done any other course? No. Do you have any pending backlog currently? If you select yes, then you will not become eligible because probably this year TCS, if you check the test eligibility, no pending backlog will be permitted at the time of appearing for TCS selection process. Okay. So currently they have not allowed any particular pending backlog. If you have undertaken any academic projects, click here and you can mention in short about your academic projects. Here you have to declaration, you have to put declaration. You have taken all subjects into consideration. Yes. Marks and CGPA in first attempt. Yes. So this all will be yes. Okay. You have not attended the TCS selection process in last 6 months. Yes. I have not attended. You have read. Yes. Click on I agree and save and continue. So once you do that, here also you will get a green tick. Now you have to enter three important details: nationality details, achievements, and your photo and CV. Okay. So nationality, but obviously it will be India. Languages known, you can add all the languages which you know. So here you can check. So I can add English, speak, read, write. And suppose if you want to add your mother tongue, so if I add Marathi, so speak, read, write, and yes. You can add as many languages which you know. If you have learned any foreign language also, that also you can enter. Okay. And if you have done some language certifications, that you can enter here. Otherwise, click on save and continue. If you have got any special achievements, you can mention. If not, just click on save and continue. Here guys, you have to enter your name, first name and last name. So this particular is very important because this will be printed on your ID card once you get selected at TCS. Here you need to upload your photo and here you need to upload your CV. Make sure it is a formal photo. Do not upload any informal photo because that is going to be printed on the TCS ID card if you get selected. So once you upload your photo and CV, you can just click on save and continue. Now you will get three ticks over here and the last application form preview and declaration is pending. First is, are you involved in any pending closed criminal case? This should be no. Are you involved in any malpractices? No. Okay, here you can preview your application form. Have you appeared for TCS test interview earlier? No. Okay. You can click on I agree. You can put your place and you can click on submit application form. Once you click on that submit application form, you are going to get this pop-up as well. Would you like to apply for TCS recruitment drive? Okay. Click on yes. Once you click there, okay, so basically you are going to get details about the test center. So you have to select three preferred test centers. And also very important thing, apart from test centers, you have to also give them three preferred job locations if you get selected and you have to click on apply. Okay, so this particular TCS exam is going to be an in-center exam and not a online exam. Okay, so after that, just click on apply. You have applied for recruitment drive. So this is very important message which you need to get, which will make sure that you have successfully applied for this particular drive. So if you click on track my application, so here candidate registration is done, application received, and this applied for drive is very important, which you need to see on your screen, without which you are not going to get the hall ticket or the examination email. Okay. Here also you can check basically. Here they have told, to confirm your status, check track application. The status should reflect as applied for drive. So this particular applied for drive status should be there. So guys, this is the correct process for applying for the TCS drive for 2025 batch. Again, I'll repeat, watch this video till completely before applying. Very important thing, this particular TCS exam is going to be in center. So there should not be any thought in your mind that you could do malpractices and you will be getting through this exam. So preparation is very important for this exam. So guys, Talent Battle has already launched its complete masterclass in which the TCS specific training, online training will be there. It will be a live training which we are going to start from 27th of this month, February, because very few days are remaining. Now, very important thing is TCS is not the only opportunity, guys. There will be a lot of off-campus opportunities which will be launched very soon for 2025 batch because you will be graduating and you are going to get a lot of opportunities. So our masterclass, complete placement preparation masterclass, is not just for TCS preparation. So TCS preparation definitely it is going to happen from 27th, live lectures, recorded lectures, mock test, everything required for TCS. But apart from that, it will help you to prepare for any other company which is going to come. There is 25 plus company specific preparation included. Projects, latest technology knowledge is given, mock test about is given, complete aptitude preparation, any programming language like C, C++, Java, Python, data structure algorithms, everything required for getting placed is there in our complete masterclass. So the link for complete masterclass is given in the description of the video. Just visit that page once, you will understand what all is included. And apart from that, it is going to help you for TCS preparation in the next 20-25 days as well. So thank you guys for watching this video till the end. Any particular query you are having, you can check the contact details in the description of the video, and you can comment on this video if you have got any other query. Our team will be happy to answer it. Thank you.